There, that is the very edge of it, just right there. Tumbling over the top, falling 104 feet to the ground. The single biggest fall in Arran, bigger than Garbad. I'm on the wee bridge from the path. And here's the hydroelectric dam. I'll give the camera a wave again. There we go. Generating electricity the whole time. Isn't that great? Quite soothing, isn't it? Just listening to that. The kind of rush of the water at that bit and the calmness of the water above it. Contrast. Up there, the path takes me to Loch Garbad, and I am planning on running up there. Hopefully I won't not run up there and take the soft option. But before that, I'm going to go down to the bottom of the waterfall. That's what I was saying about the weather. Very windy. See what I mean? And I can just see bladder there. I don't know if you can, but I can. Just and no more. I'll see if I can see that. There. That's bladder. I wonder if anybody's on it. You can't really see it, can you? Okay, here we are at the bottom. We were standing just at the top there, looking down on the Lost Valley, which goes down there. Because of the size of the cliffs that surround it, absolutely massive. And here's the waterfall. And it's so big I can't get it all in the picture. In fact, I will stand back in a minute and get it all in. That's big, isn't it? Still raining. Got my waterproof camera, so that's good. Got a wipe. Here we go. That's the amount of water coming over. Blowing about in the wind as well. Oh. Yeah, a little bit. Down to there, and that makes a heck of a good noise. I'm going to go behind it and take in that noise. A lot of power there. Can't imagine what it would be like lying under there or something. If you were able to absorb that power. Assuming no rocks or wood or anything like that came over and landed on you. Isn't that great? It's really raining now. I'm glad I get the little waterproof camera. Woo. When it's raining, it's difficult for cameras to focus. That's great, isn't it? And there's the river. Going away down there. Of course, there's nobody else here at all. This path isn't very well known, but you can see there is a path here. It's just not that well made at the moment. It's not as well made as the other ones, but it is passable, or passable if you want to call it that. A bit boggy underfoot, but then again, most paths are when you've had this much rain. I'll give the camera another bite. Okay. Right, I'm just going to go and stand there. There's a little bench seat there, right in that little alcove cave bit. Very nice. I'm going to stand there and point the camera through the water, okay? That's where we're going. You and me, we're going adventuring behind the waterfall. That's where we're going. And I've got the torch in case it got dark when I'm out here, because it's about 8:15, maybe something like that. 8:30, I'm not exactly sure. And I know it's going to get dark soon, so I thought I'll bring that, I'll be safe. But it's not got dark so far, so that's good. Just a precaution, just in case I'm a bit longer than I think or something. by the way, there's a good contrast between the water of the waterfall, which is kind of brown coming over, but it looks white when it lands, and the actual colour of the water. Can you see that? Dark brown, contrasted with the bubbles. There's been so much rain, it's all getting washed down. Okay, we're here. We're looking through the waterfall. I'm going to look up. The camera will get wet. There's a lot of water falling down in every direction, but we're pretty much right under it. That's good, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, that's magnificent. I'm going to focus in a bit on that. Look at that. Coming straight down on us. That's me looking straight up, just going slightly to the side because of the wind and the flow. That's great. Whoa, that was a big dark brown bit went in a burst there. This is Arran, isn't it? This is better than what you can EastEnders. Definitely. Or definitely, depending on where you come from. I'm going for definitely, but I could be wrong on that one. That's a lot of power in there. And it's moving around with the wind. Brilliant. I love it. Oh, great. Now, I've still got a few more steps to that bend, so let's go. Not fall over. Whoa, there we go. There's the bench for sitting down. Now I'm under a rocky overhang, so I'm completely dry. I'll give the camera a wipe again and then we'll carry on. Okay. You can see how rainy it is. Very rainy is the answer. That's not waterfall up there, that's just rain and mist, but mostly rain. It's raining heavily. Okay. I said we're going to look through the waterfall, so let's do that as well. Keeps moving around, of course, which doesn't help. We're behind a waterfall, looking down the Loch Valley. What a noise. A lot of power there. That's what it's like standing behind a waterfall. Can't see a lot, but you're still dry. Gosh, I'm going to bring the camera up. So much coming over. Just astonishing. And up to a rocky overhang. Whoop, losing my balance there. Brilliant. Okay, just take these a wee bit more. That's the bit I like the very best. It's the powerful noise it hits when it hits right in the centre there. That bit. Force. Eas Mor force. Call it that. magnificent. It's so fast, the water, when it's falling over. I don't know what speed it's doing, but it's quite something, isn't it? By the time it hits the ground. I don't know. 60, 70, 80 miles an hour or something? I don't know. Guessing. Right, so there we go. davetheraverovingtherock. Eas element, running about in terrible weather, in somewhere that most people don't go, loving the force of nature, the power of it, ignoring the rain and the wind, and just having a great time. You just can't help but appreciate this kind of thing. It's wonderful. Isn't Arran great? One more look back up and that'll do. Come on. Come on, mate. Fall over here. Woo. Alright, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Right under it. 100 foot above me. Brilliant. Okie doke. If you're still with me, this is a little bonus bit, if there is any. That path leads to Loch Garbad. It's about 100 metres or 100 yards down there, depending on which century you were born in. I'm going for yards. That's the speed of the rain going past. Hopefully you can see that. If I turn round, I'll show you the view overlooking the massive valley beyond, and then Plada and Eas Mor and the mainland beyond that. There's the view. Hope you enjoyed the view. Though we can't see anything whatsoever. Right, we're just going in there. We're going to Loch Garbad. Okay, we're here. There's the sign. There's me. There's the proof that I made it. Is my torch straight? And we'll go past the bench here, which would be nice to sit on if it wasn't absolutely sodden. And we'll have a look here. Okay. I'll give the lens another wipe. Makes sense, doesn't it? Because it's raining. In fact, I'll give it a proper wipe. There we go. Right. Loch Garbad in the mist. In the rain. And it is raining heavily. So most times people will not see this. Most people won't even have been to Loch Garbad, but if they have, they wouldn't be here in this weather. Isn't that great? Spooky and beautiful. Ghostly. What is it? A wraith? Something like that would come out the water and just grab me. Something like that. Not sure it'd be a mermaid, because that seems like calm, beautiful conditions, and this isn't. It'd have to be something kind of bad. So I'm thinking a wraith. That's that old expression. They'll be dancing in the town of Wraith tonight. Might even be in the city of Wraith. When Wraith Rovers won, I can't remember what it was, the cup, Scottish Cup, I think it was something like that. But there's no such place. So maybe it'll be a Wraith Rover coming out. It gets to just over a quarter of the way out maybe, and then it just disappears. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful and peaceful in here. I'm not feeling any wind, I can hear it, but I'm not feeling it. Spooky. Okay, so at least I did make it. I'm pleased I did. I've done my run. Hopefully no lightning bolts will hit me in the head and in my back, because I'm up here my own. I better go. Dave the Rave, rocking and roving and racing. Cheers.